Brian back here. We're going to take a look at this Kaspa chart in a second. All right, out here on a weekly and a monthly level, we're going to take a look at Kaspa and see here. We're higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. All right, we're going to zoom in on this and take a look at some potential possibilities and some other possibilities to the upside. All right, we're going to cover that here in just a second. Take a look at the crypto bubbles here. Not a lot happening there. You got Monero, Bitcoin SV, and SUI. The only green out of the top 100. All right, if you come out here, let's take a look at the top 1,000 once. See what happens. And look at the Casta. There's an imitation. How about it? 635,000, $9.5 million market cap. That's the ones I like. That is an easy, if this gets to 100 million, that's an easy 10x. Imagine if it got to a billion in a run. Here's another meme coin, 11 million, 24-hour volume, $1 million. Hedge. 10x to get to $100 million market cap is nothing. A billion, the top 100, I don't think there's anything in there under a billion. It takes, it's crazy what these, I'm not telling you to go out and buy these things, but man, when you see market caps like this, guys, that's how you get your 100x's right there. Market caps like that. A 10x to get to 100 million, a 100x to get to a billion. The volume 200,000. All right, so you find the right one out here, and you can really have it made. That's for sure. 100x will change your life. In some cases. So yeah, check them out. I don't know what's out there. Wagme Game, 9 million. 9.5 million. Look to see if people are buying it. What it's up for the month or the year. It's down 75% for the year. This RXD for the year is down 57%. Hedge or Higi, I don't know, but it must have just came out. It's up 40% for the month. For the day, it's up 17%. 1 million in volume. All right, $11 million market cap. There's one of these out there that'll probably do at least a 10x, to get to 100 million. But that's how you find them out there. You got to dig and look at the projects that are cracking in the top 1,000. These ones out here, though, VeChain, 1.7 billion. It's hard to get 100x out of that. The thing would have to hit, over $100 billion, $170 billion, $170 billion. All right. What's XRP's market cap? Where's it at? How about Solana? Solana's ranked 5th, 60 billion. All right, so it would have to do 3 times what Solana's not. It's not going to happen, but them other ones, the ones that are ranked 900 to 1,000, them ones out there, just to get to 100 million is nothing. Look at this thing, 814 million, 98 million in volume. So it's out there, guys. You just got to dig and find it. Over here on the addresses, there's a lot going on here. Last hour, we've added 7 dolphins, -1 shark. Last 30 days, we've added 1 Aquaman. We're back to 1. You can see here, last 30 days, we're down 1 humpback, down 10 whales, down 37 shark, down 136 dolphins, the fish and the octopus. Still over 400,000 addresses hold at least 1 Kaspa out there. Okay, over on the petahash. Check this out. I gotta take a drink real quick, guys. Sorry, my mouth is dry. There we go. 982 petahash. Unbelievable. Transactions per second, blocks per second. Market cap $3.85 billion, ranked 22nd. Volume 33.5 million, down for sure. All right, come over here. FBI, here we go. Please, please, please. Do not click on any job opportunities out there. There's a crazy scam going on right now with North Korea. They're doing schemes to steal crypto, and I guess it's a very good one, guys. The ETFs they're targeting, and they're offering jobs, crypto jobs, work at home stuff. They'll get you on the phone and talk to you, build up a rapport with you. So you think they're your friend. And the actors usually communicate with victims in fluent or nearly fluent English and are well versed in the technical aspects of the crypto field. Then you download malicious malware and it attacks and steals all of your crypto. So please, 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 don't click on anything that's offering a crypto job, or take a phone call from anyone, anybody that's offering a crypto job right now, or anything like that. All right, they're stealing it. They've stole $3 billion in crypto since 2017. All right, so be very, very careful out there, guys. Let's go over here and take a look at Kaspa. Now, this is out on a monthly chart. We talked yesterday's video. I talked about this trend line, this blue trend line up here, about us possibly holding that. We ended up breaking through that. Okay, if you come out here on a daily, what we were looking for here, all right, inside of this, maybe a 12 will show it a little bit better. There we go. We're looking for a 5-wave down in here. Okay, regardless of where you go with it in here, you can even go down to the 4. It breaks it down a little bit more. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and your 5th wave here, 5th wave down. If you count these out, right through here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, down here, this thing could be done right there. Right, this is a very, very great support area, and the reason I say that, if you come out here on a monthly, yeah, it is. There is an area here on the monthly, right through this closing, or not, but this wick right here, and we are riding right on that wick right now on a weekly. All right, numerous touches through here. Right over here, bring my pointer over. You got touch here, you got touch here, here, and now here. All right, you could end up having a triple bottom here, really. Now, if we zoom in just tight again here on an 8-hour, you can see so far we are bouncing off this. Inside here, you have 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right inside this would be the 3, 4, 5, and this has hit a target bottom. All right, the question is, with the bigger wave 5 here, is that good enough for a bottom here? This one here, okay, that's one we've been talking about, possibly down to 15 cents here. Now that would break this very, very strong level of support. I want to see it hold that. If it would lose this area, 15 cents is more likely coming in. Now, on the inside here, on the smaller wave 5, let me just show you what I'm talking about, so you got a good idea here. Well, I'm sure you guys get it, but I just want to make sure. All right, then inside this, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you technically, this says done a full extension on this wave 5, so it could hold here. All right, we'll just have to see what happens. Now, if we look at the RSIs out on a daily, bouncing nicely, coming down here. Look at this thing, just sideways, like accumulation almost through here. On the daily, just bounced in a range up and down here. The daily is almost reset. The weekly, same thing. Probably by next Sunday, it'll be back there and reset. Now, this target at the bottom, you see this box. If it would, this lower low right here, then you have a lower high. If this would make a lower low than this, that would break trend, and that would be pretty catastrophic for us. Well, not like the world's going to come to an end, but it would definitely pull the price pretty far back. That's a 618 to a 786, 0.086 to 0.053. And, that could be a bear market bottom through there. But as long as we hold this trend line, things are fine. All right, things are heading up and things are fine, just like on Bitcoin. All right, as long as we're holding this trend line and things are heading up. Now with Bitcoin, right where it's at right now, all right, I've talked about this before too, a million times. You guys watch the channel. We're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. All right. Now the target right now, if it printed a bottom, if this was the bottom, $88,000. Now if we take a trend-based fib extension, go from our bottom to the top, I'm going to get this as perfect as I can right there to the retracement. Right. Yeah, it's darn it. I'm looking at the bottom here, right about there. Right, pretty close, right? What do we have for a price up here? Shoot, can we move it? Just a hair, right? 89 is at the top. Trying to get it on there perfect. Let's do it one more time. All right, because this would be the 1618, 88,000, the trend-based fib. Go from our low, right there, to our high, about there, to our retracement, right about there. Pretty close, right? 87,800, 88,000. It means Bitcoin low could possibly be in. We have, two different things that say, bottom, these match up. The trend-based fib extension and the Fibonacci regular extension of 1618, 87, 8, 88,000. I think a bottom's in there for Bitcoin. I really do. I don't think it's going to go any lower than that 49.7. Out on a monthly chart, this thing is trying to turn to the upside. You can see this RSI starting to crank over here on a weekly. What do we got? A 17.2 and an 18.3. And on the bottom here, look at that. You can see it starting to curve back to the upside. All right, so getting some signs that are pointing. Do we have any bullish divergence here? No, but the monthly and the weekly are getting very close to heading. The daily is heading to the upside. All right, you have that daily turning up. I'd like to see it hold this 57,000 range. That is a very, very good support level. All right, you have a what is it out on monthly here? Yeah. If you look at this, look at these levels on here. All right, let me grab this. You have closing candles here and here. You have closing candles here and here. And then over here you have another touch with there, and you have a touch where we're at right now, 57,000 to right up to 57.7, I believe, or 57.8. That range in there is a very, very good support on a monthly. All right, the next support after that on a monthly is down, you have one at 53, and then down here, this very, very good one down here at 47. Okay, it did wick down there and didn't even touch a monthly support there, this wick right over here. So, but if it loses that area up there, 47,000 is very, very good support. But right where we're at, 57,000 bucks looks pretty good. All right, now the 12-hour looking a little weak, honestly. Like to see it hold this 57 now. That seems to be a very, very good area here. Now right where we're at, if we go from our low to the high, right up here, let's get this other one off here so we're not confusing ourselves. 50% retracement. Could have come down here to 55, 54. Could. That's 618 or 702 here. Almost looks like a head and shoulders in here, doesn't it? Got that look, shoulder, head, maybe. You never know here. We'll have to see what happens, but it's done a 50% retracement. For a big wave 1, 2, 50%. Is like where you'd like to see a bounce for that wave 2 pullback. It's gonna be interesting here on the 4-hour. Sideways, just in a range here, really. Besides this one push up to that 65. Kind of just going sideways, holding this 57,000 since August 7th. So it's almost been a month. It's held this 57,000 line. That's a very, very good support area, guys. So want to see it hold that, and we want to see Kaspa possibly have printed a bottom here, right? This 15. What's that at? 15.4, 15.5. Very, very good support. I would like to see Kaspa hold that area. If it doesn't, the next support area down from there, about 15 cents. All right, but like I said, when we zoomed in on this thing and we took our measurements, it could possibly be a bottom down here. All right, so we'll keep an eye on all this. Have a great day, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. Consider becoming a level 3 member, learning how to, over 10 hours of videos to teach you how to start charting, and a link to our Discord to come trade with us. We have over 200 members in there. We got some really great people, so consider joining us. It definitely helps the channel out, and you will definitely learn. I'm not going to say you'll turn into the next pro trader, but if you take what I show you, and it'll absolutely make you a better trader. Have a great day, guys. Thanks a lot for watching.